Hi, Eric with NorthGeorgiaMotorcycles.com and Born to Ride magazine. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the Garmin ZUMO 590LM and the tire pressure monitoring system. Okay, here we go with the unboxing of the Garmin ZUMO 590LM. So we got this in just yesterday, and we're going to go ahead and unbox it. We've been running for about the last year since our last review of the Garmin 590 or 350, I'm sorry, and Garmin has sent us this to replace it and to do a review on that. As is typical with the Garmin units, it comes with the RAM mounts for the motorcycle and all the pieces that you need for mounting it. You got your mounting kit hardwire for the motorcycle. It's got the cradle, and this particular unit comes with not only your hot lead and your negative, but it also comes with a USB cord, so you can run it as an external USB power source, and it also comes with two jacks, microphone jacks or headphone jacks for input, and the little 1/8" adapters. That would be for like putting an MP3 player or something like that into the system. Of course, you have a cigarette lighter plug for car use. You have your computer, straight computer adapter, where you can charge the unit off the computer, or also to be able to download and maps and stuff into the unit, or it goes back and forth between base camp. You can upload. You have a cradle that goes on the car mount, this suction cup mount for your windshield, the cradle for it for car use. Of course, you have your manual. This is a cover that snaps in to protect your power connections when it's not in use, when it's on the motorcycle. You have the battery for the actual unit and mounting hardware. And then we finally get down to where the rubber meets the road, and we actually have the ZUMO 590. And of course, you've got on the back your power connection should you mount it permanently on the motorcycle. You've got power connection there if you were plugging directly into a computer. And then in addition, of course, once it's in this cradle in the car, there's actually a connecting port on the side of the cradle here. So when it's in the car in the cradle, you use that. That other port I showed you was for direct connect to the computer. And then in addition, this is where the battery goes, but if you look close, it also has a mini SD card slot back in here where you can add maps and also save stuff onto the mini SD. So that's basically everything that comes in the box. Now the beauty about this, the ZUMO, and I'll be covering it when we do the review a little bit more, but the beauty about this unit is, in addition to being a GPS unit, you can use your phone through it, play music through Pandora, MP3s. There's any number of combinations of things that this will do. And it also has built into it, and like I said, we'll cover it when we do the review, but it has built into it a tire pressure monitoring system. You have to purchase the additional caps here, and we'll do the unboxing of that while we're right here. But it's a cap with a battery in it, and it sends it wirelessly back up to the Garmin unit when it's on the bike and in its cradle. And as you can see, it's nothing more than a little cap that screws on to your valve stem, and it transmits a signal up to the Garmin, and it actually will give you a readout of your tire pressures. And you would need 2 of these, one for the front and the rear, and it will handle up to 4. So if you're riding a quad, you would be able to use it in the quad. They do not recommend it for car use, but it is for, like I said, 4-wheelers, quads, for out in the woods and things like that, and motorcycles. Okay, well that's it for the unboxing of the Garmin ZUMO 590LM. So this is Eric for NorthGeorgiaMotorcycles.com and Born to Ride magazine, and we just asked that if you'd like to see more of these unboxing videos and reviews, please check below and subscribe to this channel, and also like this video. And as always, ride safe and ride often.